mystery of the anointing. Christianity is not a religion. It's a relationship. In Acts 11:26, they were first called Christians in Antioch, and the men of Antioch were idol worshippers. It might interest you to know the word Christianity is mentioned about 3 times in the Bible. The foundation of it was actually given as a result of mockery. So probably you and I, not probably, you and I are actually bearing, in quotes, Christians out of mockery. There's a way God will so much deal with you that his image will begin to reflect, and if your enemies don't know how to describe it, they give it a name. The anointing is an announcer, an amplifier, an enhancer, an influencer, the source of the reason why certain things are done. The anointing is an announcer, an amplifier. I want you to underline the word amplifier, announcer. The anointing is that thing that comes upon an ordinary to make it extraordinary. The anointing is the evidence that the presence of God have visited a place, and it is residing in that place, and it is the outflow of the impact of the relationship an individual have. Kentrikuma so much have that grace, so that she knew when somebody had grieved the Holy Ghost. In one of her meetings, she was flowing heavily, and she broke into tears and said, somebody has grieved the Holy Ghost. That's the level of relationship that woman had with God, to the extent that she can feel the pulse of the Holy Ghost. So the anointing is an announcer, an amplifier. Right now, you are hearing my voice from all the wings, not because my voice is louder to this capacity, but there is an amplifier amplifying my voice, so it makes my voice look louder than what it is originally. I've removed my mic. You are not hearing me to that capacity. So this mic is an anointing to my voice. It amplifies my voice. Listen to me, what this mic has just done is to help my existing voice. It does not actually necessarily change the texture, or let me not use the texture, the strength of my voice. It only amplifies the language that I'm speaking for you to hear it audibly with clarity. Am I communicating? So it simply means that whatever the anointing come to meet, it amplify. Follow me. Follow me. So whatever the anointing comes to meet, it amplify. Don't forget that word. You can write it down or underline it. Whatever the anointing comes to meet, it amplifies, it makes it bigger. So the anointing is the reason why a man is seen, heard, louder, and it goes beyond where